We have made it here to the east coast of Canada to surprise our friends Jazz and Crystal, you might know them as the vanwives, at their off-grid cabin in the woods. They have absolutely zero idea we're coming. That's what brings us to a thrift store to find some camouflage clothing. This is a lot more successful than I expected. Okay, that is perfect. And I actually like it too. You have no idea what your eyes look like. You know, it says shoot 'em.
We are on the way to the girls' place right now. We have about 2 hours to figure out our plan of scaring them.
For anyone that may be new around here, we started watching Jazz and Crystal's YouTube videos almost 3 years ago. We met them while in Baja about a year ago now and have been having a blast ever since.
I am genuinely nervous that if we actually sneak up on them, Bella's gonna attack us. I think we should like somehow make it to the cabin through the woods and then bang on the windows or something.
I think we should park the car like down the road.
Yeah.
Right?
100%. Right. Oh, no hands on the wheel.
I'm curious to know what everybody thinks about surprises because personally, I don't really enjoy being surprised, but Tally on the other hand,
I love surprises.
I do love surprising other people though, so I am pretty excited to surprise the gals. They are right where we want them right now.
We're back and it feels so good.
Woo-hoo! I'm actually nervous. My legs are like a little bit numb feeling. Yeah. I don't know if that happens to you when you get nervous, but I kind of like it. Do you get numb legs when you're nervous?
My heart's going boom, 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 boom.
Wow, it is a full winter wonderland. I'm so happy we got here right after there was a huge snowfall. Last time we were here was summer.
They really are in the middle of nowhere. Like these roads are not even plowed. Okay, I'm not sure we thought this through because look how thick the bush is around their place.
Do you guys think that they're gonna recognize me? Or am I in full disguise?
If someone were to drive by, do we just wave and smile like nothing weird is going on? Or would they not even see us?
Oh my gosh, I never thought you'd look so cute in that.
Yeah, no, I think you look really cute too. They'll have you know on the label this said that it was the sexy line. Yeah, it says Sheen sexy.
Watch me move, watch me how I work it. Shoulders back, cause I know I'm worth it. I'm feeling strong, feeling bold, feeling powerful.
We're on our way. Are you ready?
We genuinely have to whisper like,
Because we're so close.
okay, oh, this is a clearing. Oh, we could get lost in the woods here. Oh God, I'm kind of scared. It's a legitimate concern that Bella attacks us because she's really protective of the cabin, as she should be. So, I'm hoping she recognizes our scent and doesn't want to kill us. Doo-dum, 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 doo-doo, doo-doo, doo-dum. We're getting close. I still don't know what our plan is. We're getting really close. I'm nervous. We're here. Let's go outside. Okay, we're basically here. Do you recognize this? There's their van. Let's just knock on the side window. Okay. I'm so scared. We're right here. They're right there. They came outside to walk the dogs.
No! I knew it! I'm actually gonna pass out.
Hi, Bella!
What are you doing here? I'm shaking. What is going on? You're wild.
That was mission so accomplished. So accomplished. I love that Crystal's first reaction is she just starts crying. Yeah. Oh my god, it's a hole!
Do you have a tape? Oh, pencil behind the ear. That means business. So last time we were here, we did no work. So this time, we are going to finish our bedroom.
First we got a strap, then we got a strap.
So I do need to say something that I'm a bit nervous about. These girls don't sleep. That's the bed. Now we have to get this done tonight or we're just not going to bed. We can go all night. Got time.
I'm a warrior, no one else can do it better. Like a goddess, I'm a legend, I'm a fighter. Show my muscle, show my grit and give it power. I'm a conqueror and I'm unstoppable.
Alright, you guys want to stay longer? This is fun.
These girls don't feed themselves when they work. I don't like it.
Wow! I did that! I did it!
You nailed it.
Things are coming together and Tal is making us, what are you making us?
Mushroom jerk chicken.
Let's roll. Let's roll. Red light, yellow light, green light, go.
This is the first time I arrive somewhere, build a room, and then sleep in.
Good night, gals.
Night.
Sleep tight in your cozy room.
Thank you, we love
Wake
you.
up and smell the cedar.
Thanks for teaching us how to make walls.
Thanks for rocking
And,
it.
and thanks for being our friends.
Love y'all.
Okay, we've stoked the fire. We're having our coffee. What's missing from our morning routine?
I don't know.
Brushing our teeth?
We did that. Use the outhouse?
Definitely did that.
You haven't had your AG1, you dorks.
Oh, yeah! We first learned about AG1 through some YouTubers. What are their names again? It'll come to me later.
We love knowing that when we drink AG1, we're filling in our nutritional gaps by getting 9 health products in one. Just 1 scoop of AG1 once a day. It's so easy. Our energy levels are improved, our gut health is supported, and we just overall feel good.
Athletic Greens has been obsessively improving AG1 over the last decade to ensure that we receive the highest quality and best daily nutritional habits on the planet, all while somehow making it taste good. So if you want to get your hands on some AG1, we will leave you a link in the description of this video and you'll get 5 free travel packs and an immune-supporting vitamin D dropper.
Try it, you know you wanna.
We are 4 people with DDD, dilly-dally disorder. Jazz and Crystal have told us that they have like 10 different things that they need to get done today, and this is what we've been doing all day. DDD. Let's earn our sauna shower, because right now we have not.
So we're not showering right now?
No, we're stacking wood. It's gonna be really fun, you guys. Back at home, when friends invite you to their cabin, you usually pack sweatpants because you're just gonna hang out. Here you need to borrow work pants because you come to work.
I think these pants are gonna make Talia stack wood extra fast. Here at the cabin, you have to work for everything. We think the shower situation is figured out.
I got in the shower. About 5 minutes in, it stopped with shampoo in my hair and I was freezing. So Maddie, off-grid life, put some water in this kettle, boiled it, and poured it on my head. It's working.
I am just grateful to have friends that show us different ways of living. We are going to stack some wood because the girls need wood in their cabin to keep them warm through the winter. Can't say I've ever stacked wood before. There are a lot of firsts for me this trip. I'm loving it. Let's go!
That was easy.
Whoa, I'm throwing it! What? Do I just throw it in? Keep going. I think it has the brakes on.
Somehow I think this would actually be faster if we weren't here.
This is so much slower.
So much funner.
I thought this was so fast. How do you usually do it?
Put the wheelbarrow right beside the wood. Just tip tap, go. Go. You are the UTV. Okay. Be a UTV.
I'm the UTV!
Did you just say you're an 8x8?
Yeah.
Why?
4. Duh, 4x4.
Oh, you're using your arms?
Yeah, how do you think this thing carried? You wouldn't know, would ya?
All done.
How rewarding is it to chop all your own wood, stack it, and then use it to heat your own cabin?
It is truly chaos over here. Oh, that's really hard. And now you get to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Okay, nice and steamy in there. We ended the night in the best way, eating tacos, laughing about things we've done, and planning for things to come. Looking back on the day, we can't believe how much work goes into normal life here. We're not sure we're cut out for it just yet. But all jokes aside, we are so grateful we get to experience a life that is so wildly different from our own. After years of travel, we've learned it's not so much the sights and attractions, but rather the immersion into a culture, the connection to a community, to a person, so foreign yet so similar, that leave an imprint on our souls, that fundamentally change who we are, that stay with us until we're old and gray. Seeing the world through various lenses and perspectives is both a privilege and a responsibility that we believe with every fiber of our bodies should be prioritized. And that's why we're going to try and focus our channel this year as much as possible to just that, connecting with people from around the world, experiencing different lifestyles, and of course, making you smile.
This is what you call dilly-dally disorder.
Did she fall?
Anyways, you've been watching Tal and Jazz, and Also, did anybody realize that Jazz sometimes edits all the vlogs that you love so much on a toilet?
Not to make it for y'all. I'll do selfie. I got you. Yo, if we get another snowstorm, you want to do a vlog with me? See that? Plowing for 50 hours?
That's the gate that we put up to keep people like you out.